Good morning, America. It's freezing outside. Getting ready to go do some river crossings. Bear country. Gotta cross that soon. Such a cool trail right now. It's gonna top yesterday's trail. Gotta cross right here. Coming into, there's Whitney up there. Coming into Crabtree Meadows. Beautiful. Chocolate. Don't let the wilderness out.
You ignorant rich.
You need to protect the wilderness.
Yeah, where is the ranger?
Close this gate to protect the wilderness. Swollen Whitney Creek. Mount Whitney's back there. Can't see it. Look how freaking awesome that is. So, it's Crabtree Meadow. We left Billy. Billy left with the German and French guy to go up Whitney. We're headed to Forester, so we'll get to the bottom of Forester Pass today. Alright, we got our first crossing here where we gotta wade, but we're doing it. Nice! Rocks are slippery. Woo! Let's go. I believe that's the Great Western Divide. This is the trail. I'm not going to try crossing there. I'm going to go 0.2 miles up. Looked at gut hooks. It says if you go 0.2 miles up, it's a little easier. Real slow, lean forward. 17. It's like we got a storm rolling in, maybe. Woo! This is an ass kicker. Morning, Sunday morning, June 23rd, 6 a.m. Getting ready to leave. 28 degrees outside. Headed to Forester Pass. Gonna go do a water crossing up to our waist right now in about half a mile. And then we're 5 miles out from Forester Pass, which is another scary. It's gonna be gnarly, but we gotta do it. Gotta get up there before it melts. Get my frozen socks. Yeah. Nice. All right, 7 o'clock. We've come up way up the river until it splits into 3.
That might be deep channel. What do you think?
I think you ought to just pick a spot and 3 points of contact and go slow. Come on, it's 30 degrees. You'll be fine. I can't even see. Nice. Woo! Oh man, my feet are cold. Ah, feet are freezing. 11,600. That would be higher. That was a bitch. Headed to Forester Pass. I think it's that little thing, saddle right there. Frozen lake. Whew, it's ass kicking. Trying to get up before I start post holing. It's 9:30 in the morning. I'm fucking dying. 12,000 feet elevation. My 130-pound hiking partner, he's all the way up there. He ain't waiting for me. I told him yesterday, told him today, this morning, wait up, just wait for me. I can't hike as fast as him. All right, we're going up the switchbacks. Got white chocolate. He's slowing down. You ready? No ice axe. Wish we could have hit it earlier, but we can't. So it is what it is. Couple frozen lakes. Glasses are fogging. Party! Oh shit. Highest point on the PCT. 13,000 feet. We're almost there. We're getting closer. Just came up those switchbacks. Coming to the avalanche chute. Cornice ain't that big. That's good. It's probably already dropped a few times. Get inside, bro! Woo-woo! 13,000 something feet. Highest pass on the PCT.
Alright. Mark going for the avalanche chute. Forester Pass. 13,000 feet, baby. Get it. Hitting it. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Look at him go. Yeah! Ain't no thing. That's right, that's right. And that's what we're dealing with. Don't fall.
Just made it up this wall. Kings Canyon National Park, Forster Pass, 13,200 feet. That's the sign they made it to the top. It's looking down Forster Pass. Just came from right there. That's Forster Pass. Headed that way. Kings Canyon National Park. Got a few hikers down there in the distance. These snow cups. Knee breakers, ankle breakers. This is Forster Pass, Kings Canyon, just amazing. Hey, there's a chipmunk. What a view. This camera ain't gonna do its shit. Ben, Chad, let's get a shower.
I'm taking the shirt off.
Come on. Wim Hof showed you how to do this.
Yeah, right.
Get in there.
I don't think so, dude.
Shower it up. Solid snow coming down Forester. Here's where we glissaded. Right there. Yeah, it's all snow. Ugh, and sun cups. Glissading. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. He's going big. Oh, shit.
Got my speed stand.
You almost jumped the ledge. Break time. Sierra's peanut butter jelly. Laying up against some snow. Feet in the sun. Amazing view. Doing some laundry in the tree. My chocolate's hiding over there. He's got sweater feet. Just took a break. Now we're headed into the woods. Sequoia Kings National Park. Whoop whoop. Oh shit. Use your poles. Use your poles. Oh my God. He's not using his poles. You don't speak English. An 84.2 mile. There was an avalanche. You could tell it came down this chute and broke all these trees. So much water, so much snow, avalanche. Not sure where we're gonna cross. There's a couple logs right there, Chad. I think we can do it.
Hey.
I think it's safe right there.
I'll dive right in that
You can do it. You can do it. All right, we made it to camp. We're staying here. Here's our camp. I don't know, we're about 1.5 miles from Bullfrog. Or no, Keysarge Pass. The exit to Bullfrog Lake. Right here by this river flowing strong. Sounds nice. It's gonna be nice.